Hi, it's me Shivanshi from Plastic Studio Magazine, and you're watching me on Plastic Studio channel. Hi, sir. Firstly, very good afternoon to you.
Hello, good afternoon to you.
Firstly, tell our viewers about something yourself and about your company.
See, I'm Rohit, and I am the CMO of this company. The company's name is Safelex International Limited. Safelex is into exports of jumbo bags, which is primarily an FIBC, and it started in some 2006, and we are now grown into a four number of units. We have 3 units in Pithampur. There is 1 unit in Mewad, and we are manufacturing FIBC jumbo bags, as you see over there. We are we are making these kind of bags, 1-ton bags, and mainly these are all exported. It is an export quality product that we maintain on a sustainability basis, keeping full mind of the environment. Then our expansions later on have involved into manufacturing of pond liners, shade nets. Okay, you see these kind of pond liners, which is very useful in agriculture and in protecting the environment or in storing the water which gets wasted. So this is what we produce. Then if you see the tents, these are the shade nets that we produce. We are producing tarpaulins and all kinds of agricultural produces. We want awareness of the Indian farmers, and we want them to get involved into these kind of technologies so that they can have more productivity of their crop, and they can reduce the amount of wastages, and in turn they can earn more out of this. We want to make agriculture much stronger. So this is the primary motive of the company. In addition to that, taking care of the sustainability of the environment. So this is it. And yes, as far as Plastpack 2025 is concerned, it has been an excellent exhibition for us. There has been a very decent footfall, and as expected, people have come in with a lot of curiosity. So we are also very happy to showcase our products.
Like, it's the last day, so what's your personal experience if you want to tell?
Oh yes, it has been a good exhibition, and though there were not export customers, but yes, it has been a good experience as far as the domestic market has been is concerned. There are many such local people who also are curious about having or using these kind of products in their industries, or let's say in mining or in several other domestic purposes. So yes, it has been a reasonably good experience.
Would you like to give them message who wants to enter in this plastic industry?
Oh yes, there is a misconception about plastics that it is not good for environment. We as manufacturers would like to differ a bit, because it is about managing the plastic waste that needs to be done properly, and that needs to involve
Like advice for
recycling.
beginners.
Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Beginners, it is a very good. This industry in itself is very good. Okay, and it is a very nice industry, a good profitable business to start up with, if it is done in a proper conscious manner, keeping the environment into consideration. And yes, it is nice. It is really nice. The product has to be innovative. The product has to be sellable, and
They have to know, they have to be enough knowledgeable.
there are many ways and means wherein you can learn from the industry. And yes, indeed it is good if you work out it in the proper manner. It is really good. Yes.
Absolutely wonderful, sir. Thank you so much for your precious
Thank
time.
you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you.